Hello students, welcome to JSM. In previous session we completed introduction about ionic bond, covalent bond and coordinate covalent bond. In the formation of all these three bonds, every element is trying to get 8 electrons in their valence shell. In the electrons, 8 electrons in their valence shell. So they observed in the formation of ionic bond or covalent bond or coordinate covalent bond. So every element is trying to get 8 electrons in their outermost orbital or in the valence shell. So Lewis, he was the scientist, he given one rule. What is that? Lewis octet rule. So in the formation of a bond, either losing of electron or gaining of electron. So every element is accommodating 8 electrons in their valence shell. Say for example, here, HCl, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen 1 and chlorine belongs to 7th group, so chlorine, okay, 7 valence electron. So now here a bond is formed between hydrogen and chlorine and sharing of these 2 electrons. So this is the bond we know. What is that? Covalent bond. Okay, what is this? This is a covalent bond. Here chlorine, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many electrons? 8 electrons. Here hydrogen. What about hydrogen? In the case of hydrogen and helium. So what we are saying in the case of hydrogen and helium. So here instead of octet we are using, we are using what? Duplet. Here we are using what? Duplet, because hydrogen having first energy shell, so that is first energy having only one orbital, so it is accommodating only 2 electrons. So these hydrogen and helium, this is the exception. In case of hydrogen and helium we are using, instead of octet we are using what? Duplet. Okay, so now duplet means what? 2 electrons. Here also 2 completed. In case of chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now this is a octet rule. So that means what? In the formation of a bond between hydrogen and chlorine, chlorine is accommodating how many electrons? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So exception, hydrogen and helium are what? Exception. So that is what, instead of octet we are using duplet. Okay, so right. So this is covalent bond. In another example, say for example sodium. Okay, so next element is what? Chlorine, and sodium, its atomic number is 11 and electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, and it is outermost electronic configuration. And chlorine atomic number is 17, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. This is outermost electronic configuration. So now, so whenever sodium, it loses one electron and it forms sodium ion, Na plus ion. So now next electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Same, whenever chlorine, it gains one electron, formation of what? Chloride ion. So now electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. So now sodium, it loses one electron and chlorine, it gains one electron. So now here it is what? This is the outermost electronic configuration. So how many? 6 plus 2. So how many electrons? 8 electrons. And here also this is the outermost electronic configuration, 6 plus 2. How many electrons? 8 electrons. So now between these two attractions are there. So that is nothing but what? Ionic bond. Ionic bond. So now in the formation of covalent bond or ionic bond, so compulsory every element is trying to get 8 electrons in their valence shell. So that is nothing but what? Lewis octet rule. So for example, in the formation of ammonia molecule, nitrogen belongs to 5th group having 5 electrons, 1, 2, 3, and these are lone pair of electrons. So next hydrogen. So hydrogen, first electron, hydrogen, second electron, and hydrogen, third electron. So now between nitrogen and hydrogen, here it is the bond is formed. So now it is okay. So now here already said hydrogen and helium are what? Exceptions from octet. In the case of hydrogen, helium, we are using what? Duplet. Yes, duplet completed. So now you see nitrogen. Around nitrogen, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. How many electrons are there? 8 electrons are there. So now here it is what? 8 electrons. So in the formation of a molecule, compulsory almost all elements trying to get 8 electrons in their outermost shell or valence shell. Let us discuss some important examples of Lewis octet rule. So first example is ozone. So its molecular formula is O3. So in the formation of O3, so all oxygen atoms are getting 8 electrons or not? 8 electrons or not? For example, first oxygen, second oxygen, third oxygen. So now in the first structure, here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 7 electrons are there. But in middle oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 electrons. And here also we have 7 electrons. So this structure is not correct. So in the second structure, so these two oxygens are getting 8 electrons. But this corner oxygen is not getting 8 electrons. So for that, so now this is the one electron pair of second oxygen atom is sharing between this oxygen and this oxygen. So here we are getting coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. So that all oxygen atoms, so now they are getting 8 electrons. So now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all oxygens are getting 8 electrons in their outermost or valence shell. So now this is the final structure. So now this is coordinate covalent bond and these are covalent bonds. This is the structure of O3 molecule. So that is ozone. So now hydrogen cyanide in the formation of HCN. So already I said hydrogen is exception. Instead of octet we are using what? Duplet. So 2 electrons completed. So now carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now 8 electrons in their valence shell. So now here also same, you see nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 lone pair is present on nitrogen. So here it is also octet rule satisfied. So now this is structure of hydrogen cyanide. So now it is what? Covalent bond. All are covalent bonds. In NO2 molecule or in the formation of NO2 molecule, you see nitrogen belongs to fifth group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons and oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So now in the formation of NO2 molecule, nitrogen is sharing 2 electrons with first oxygen and it is sharing 2 electrons with second oxygen and it is one odd electron also present in this. So now here nitrogen is forming 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 covalent bonds. So now here nitrogen, it cannot form 4 covalent bonds at a time. It can form 3 covalent bond and 1 dative or coordinate covalent bond. That is possible. So based on that, again remodification of this NO2 molecule. So what happening? So one pair of electrons of nitrogen is sharing between nitrogen and oxygen, and remaining these 2 electron pairs are sharing between nitrogen and oxygen. So right in this structure you see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, oxygen is getting 8 electrons. And this oxygen also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 electrons. But here in the case of nitrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So only 7 electrons it is getting. Only 7 electrons it is getting. So here also it is not getting 8 electrons. But this is the molecule is existing. Molecule is existing and the structure of this NO2 molecule is like this, having one odd electron, so that it is very important NO2 molecule. Okay, so nitrogen is not getting 8 electrons, but NO2 still it is stable. So having one odd electron molecule. So this is NO2 is very important.